how to connect Freshsales to Gmail step by step. So first, go to your account. Next is just click on this envelope here, the left side. Now here, you just need to select Gmail here, and then make sure let's just uncheck this since we're going to just connect Gmail. So make sure this is checked, and then click on connect. Now once you're here, let's just connect our email or Gmail. Select your account, and then click on continue. And then check this one, and then scroll down and click on continue. Okay, now let's just wait for it. Now it will refresh the page. Now once you've done that, now we've just connected our Gmail. So if you want to make sure that it is connected, let's just go to your profile here at the top, and then click on personal settings. And now as you can see here, my from email here is this one. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.